Hey math kids, today we're going to talk about the rules of integration, and we'll just go through a bunch of examples to show you what to do in different situations. Alright, so we start with the integral of negative 2x cubed plus 5x minus 2 dx. Okay, so we're going backwards through the derivative stuff. So we raise the exponent, and then we divide by the new exponent, and we'll go through and simplify this in a second. Raise the exponent, so it's x squared, divide by the new one, so it's 5/2, and then negative 2 just goes to an x, okay? Because we raise it to a 1, and then we divide by a 1, okay? The only thing that needs to be simplified right here is negative 1/2, and since there could be a constant and it wouldn't change that, we want to put plus c on the end of that. Okay, the next integral we're going to try is 5e to the x plus 2 over the square root of x dx. Okay, so the antiderivative of e to the x is e to the x, so we just rewrite that one. This one I'm going to think of as 2x to the negative 1/2. So I'm going to raise that by 1, so I get x to the 1/2. And then I'm going to divide by the new, and I have my 2 out there. And then I'm going to divide by 1/2, which is the same as multiplying by 2. So I get another 2 there. Okay? I do my simplification. That just becomes a 4. And then x to the 1/2 is the square root of x. And then I put my plus c on the end of that. Okay, now we have 2 sine x minus cosine x dx. So this is one that we can just treat separately. So if we just do 2 sine of x. Now remember, we're going backwards, so it gets a little confusing sometimes. But sine would go to cosine if we were going to the derivative. But if we go backwards, it goes negative cosine. So we have negative 2 cosine x. And then cosine would normally go to negative sine, but it goes backwards, so it's just sine. So we have our negative sine, and then just sine x. That didn't work out. There we go. And then, of course, we have our plus c, and that's everything for that one. Okay,